So today I'm going to show you how to import new data that you will most likely be writing as a graduate assistant into Power BI. So first things first, let's write some new data. Let's just say lines 151 through 154 are brand new data that you have just written, right? And you want to import them into Power BI, hence these pages right here. Unfortunately, if you are on the MacBook, you will probably be using Microsoft 365 version of Power BI, which there is no surefire way to do unless we create our own database, and we are not going to do that because we don't want to pay. So what we can do is you can go to GCSU Russell Library. Right? You can go here, or you can go to the computer lab in Atkinson, download Power BI, desktop version, or if you wanted to stay at home, you could always use Thundercloud. I don't recommend it because it's super slow, and Power BI is already very slow. So, library, Atkinson, computer lab, or Thundercloud. And what you want to do is when you get in there, let's go to my notes. You're going to open the Power BI desktop, open the report you want to add data to, and in the Home tab, this is basically what you're going to need. Once you get in there, click in the Home tab, click Enter Data in the External Data group, and you're going to manually enter your data. And that's pretty much it. All the rest of this stuff is just basic Power BI. You're creating visuals and arranging your visuals, charts and graphs. This is the important stuff right here. This is all you got to do when you get into Power BI desktop to add your new data into Power BI. So you'll basically just copy this. You'll click that Home tab, click Enter Data manually, and you'll paste it. Hope this helped. I know it sucks that there's no easy way to do this on the Mac, which is why I totally recommend finding a way to get Power BI desktop instead. Thanks for watching.